Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Now, if you saw last Sunday's video, it was finishing up all of the furring strips around the windows. The ceiling furring strips are all done. So in this week's video, I'm super pumped because I did spray foam, and I was just looking forward to this so much. So without further ado, let's get into it. Just real quick, doesn't all of this plastic remind you of Dexter's Kill Room? I mean, am I the only one that thinks this? Anyway, that's all I had to say. I just chimed in for that. Okay.
Say what I want, say what they want you to say. Like, I can pretend that I don't want to and I'm afraid. Wishful drinking, tell myself that I'm not thinking bad.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. It feels so good to get all of that gear off, man. This is sweat, dude. I was like, can you see how much I'm sweating through my clothes? Oh my god. And I know some people did this spray foam in 100-degree heat with all that gear on and clothes in that bus. Like, fuck. I don't know how you guys did it, man. Because it's like maybe 80 in the bus right now, like 75, 80 in the bus right now, and I'm sweating like this with all that on. Oh, but I'm done for the day. We're gonna see how much that spray foam expands and see if I'm gonna need any more or if I'm good. Hopefully I'm good. Hey, so I'm at the bus again. Hooray! Seemed like I think it was like 2 or 3 weeks, but I ran out of funds, you know. But I've been able to do some tattoos and guest spot over here, so now I have enough money to do the last coat of spray foam, which I'm doing today. And then tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and scrape and shape and do all that cleaning up of the spray foam.
I'm not even halfway done. But look at this. Jesus Christ. And I'm about to put some grip tape on this because luckily I have some in the car. But it's a lot of vibration that comes through this when you're just vigorously carving off spray foam. Whew. I'm gonna take a break. My hand's tired.
You know, 2020 has definitely been one of the most challenging years I've had in a while. It seems like, you know, every time I'm like, yes, and I'm in a good mood and everything's going great, something just like, no! But anyway, I'm trying to look towards the positive right now, and I just got my ceiling tiles in, so I'm super pumped about that. Let's take a look at, well, at least some of the ceiling tiles. I'm gonna have to order more. But I'm really excited to see what these look like. They so pretty. Alright, thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. That little bell notification, whichever side that's on. This one, I think. I'm gonna go ahead and put out the next video on Wednesday. There is a lot of footage that's missing from that just because I was in a hurry. There was a big cold front coming in and we were still living in the tent, so I had to hurry up and get the bus ready, at least the back section, for the animals and I to live in so we could be out of that cold. It's still exciting. I still get a lot done. But yeah, I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday. And then we're going to get more caught up to where we're at.